Hello guys, welcome to another new episode of Hotel Reviews and Full Inside Tour. In this video, I am going to take you to a homestay tour which is almost located in the heaven. It's in our very own and familiar place Tawang, Mila Homestay. Guys, if you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Guys, in this video, I'll give you 4 good reasons why you should choose Mila Homestay over any other staying options in Tawang. First, for its superb location. If you are a peace lover and want your stay to be surrounded by woods and mountains in front, then Mila is the one for you. Hardly 4 to 5 minutes away from the main Tawang city, this homestay will offer you love, peace, seclusion and breathtaking views even from its balconies. Second is for their cleanliness and spacious rooms. All 4 of them come with modern amenities like room heaters, bed warmers and television. For the television part, I can guarantee you won't need one because the nature will keep you entertained for the 24 hours. Third and most importantly, for their warm hospitality. Undeniably and unbiasedly, Miss Pema and her team are the best at it. There is no match for their loving and caring attitude towards the guests. From dawn to dusk, they take care of every small things and always appear with a smile. And don't at all be surprised if they offer you some local cuisine or give you company for some casual morning or evening walk to the local temples, etc. With the cherry on top, they will take care of the permit part and the local car for Bumla Pass. And if you want, they will pack your meal for the day. Lastly, 3 cheers for the simple homemade food which they always make and serve with lots of love and care. Freshly made, warm, tasty food all 3 to 4 times a day will definitely keep you pampered. Now guys, please enjoy the home tour as well as listen to what the lady Miss Pema has to say about her homestay. बोलिए मैडम, कुछ बोलिए।
वही बोलते हैं कि यहाँ पे मिला होम स्टे, यहाँ पे फोरम्स है, तो आप ज़रूर विज़िट कीजिए। यहाँ से व्यू वगैरह बहुत अच्छे दिखते हैं। ये बॉनफायर भी हो सकता है यहाँ पे। लोकेशन जो मैक्सिमम आदमी को मतलब मालूम नहीं होता है, लोकेशन यहाँ नियर छुपलिंग स्कूल या तक्संग होटल।
यस, थैंक यू, थैंक्स अ लॉट।